Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been so long since I've actually sat in front of the camera and talked to you guys. My last few videos I feel like have been vlogs or something where I haven't really mentioned anything that I like. So today it's kind of like that, but not really. My birthday just passed. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. I recently posted a 25 things I've learned in 25 years video. So if you want to go ahead and reference to that video, you can check that out first. But I thought it would be a cool video to do to kind of mention some items that I got for my birthday or things that I have from previous birthdays. That way you guys can get ideas whether to gift someone for their birthday or Christmas. Christmas is right around the corner. So this would be a pretty cool video to look back to if you're struggling on what to get someone for some occasion. I just want to quickly mention I am not in any type of way trying to boast or brag or like show off my items. These were all gifted to me and I am eternally grateful and I love everything and I'm just so blessed to be loved by so many people. I'm not going to mention who got me what because that doesn't matter. I'm just simply mentioning the gifts. So don't get offended if you got me something and you feel like I'm not as excited for that item as opposed to another item. I love everything and I'm so grateful for everything that I have. So yeah, if you guys want to see this video, then just keep on watching. So the first item I want to mention are candles. Candles are such a staple gift item. Like, who doesn't love candles? So the first candle is this, and I thought it was perfect because fall is actually coming right up. So this is a DW Home Pumpkin Spice and Vanilla Scented Candle. It is a hand-poured wax candle. It has this super cute top, which I feel like is such a cute detail. And this is also super cute to decorate a home. So for anyone that you know, oh my god, I opened that and it just, I love this candle. It smells so good. Anyone who you know that loves home or fall or decor, anything like that, you can get them kind of like a fall or winter decorated candle and they can just put it on their shelf and it would be a perfect way to decorate their home. So candles, candles, candles. I do have a couple other candles. I wanted to mention this one from Bath and Body Works. This is a candle that one of my friends got me as well. So good. This is my favorite scent and she got me the high intensity one, so it's intense. It smells so good. So this is mahogany teakwood from Bath and Body Works. These candles are also very, very good and they are very, very strong. So this will linger in your room for hours. So if you know someone that really loves candles, I highly recommend these candles. And the good thing about Bath and Body Works is there's always coupons, there's always sales, there's always a way to budget to not spend so much money. So even though you look at the price and you think $25 for a candle, that's crazy, usually they're always on sale. And also I got these two little candles from Marshall's and these are also really cute fall or kind of holiday themed candles. The first one is by Sensational, which is a good brand. I have heard of these before, but this is in the scent Pumpkin Coconut and it's just in a white case with a little wooden top. So it is a really cute kind of like aesthetic candle. It smells so good. Everything coconut, it just rocks my world. And the next one I got was also from Sensational and in the front it just says Hello Fall in this cute teal turquoise holder and it just smells so good. And then it just has like a little cute lid, a little copper lid, so that contrast is super cute and it just smells so good. I love this. This is a good candle. There are people that don't like candles whatsoever. Those people are weird. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so I don't think that you could ever go wrong gifting someone a candle. Every time I receive a candle, I'm like, yes, I scored one. I love candles. You can never get me enough candles because I will be eternally grateful for them. I got this perfume. This is actually my favorite perfume in the whole wide world. And this is Olympia by Paco Rabanne. It smells so good. It just comes in this beautiful, beautiful packaging. And I've actually have gone through 3 of these. And these are the 2.7 ounces. Like, I go through these things like crazy. If you know the person that you're getting a gift for, I feel like perfume is a really, really good gift. You can never go wrong with giving someone a perfume unless you don't know what kind of scents they like. People already know I'm more of a masculine, kind of like sexy scent kind of girl. I stay away from floral or any of that. I don't like nothing floral or fruity or No. So people that know me know that. So I really scored with that one. That was a good gift. I got this actually last year for my birthday, and I just wanted to mention it because this is such a cute idea. I feel like people love things for their home. I love things for my room, and this is just a kind of like a little holder. I usually put like books and then put this on top. It just says love in these like cursive wire, and then on the bottom it says love never fails. So I thought this was super cute. And then I also got this one last year as well that I wanted to mention. It says blessed in like little blocks. It kind of looks like those, what is that game? Scrabble like blocks. And then on the bottom it says grateful, thankful, loved. So these are super cute together. I love that, and I feel like that is such a good gift. Next, kind of like home item decor thing, I got this as a set, which I thought was super cute. It's super like girly and just like perfect storage. You can kind of use this for anything. And the person that gave this to me gave this with this. This is the first thing I'm going to talk about. It is this kind of like acrylic. It's very hard, so be careful. If you want to ship this, I wouldn't recommend it because it will probably break. But this was super cute. I feel like this is perfect to store items. You can store makeup palettes. You can even store brushes, and I feel like it would just look so cute. You see how cute that looks? You can store paper, pens. You can pretty much store anything in here, and it just gives like such a nice, cute, feminine touch to your desk, your vanity, your counter. You can even probably use this in the bathroom. So this is a cute idea. And then I got this with this little pack of magnets. So these magnets are super cute too. You can use them for if you have like the big calendars that you have on your wall or even your refrigerator, and they just have cute little happy quotes on them. So it says, love life, be good, let go, shine bright, like cute little motivational magnets. So yeah, that was one little gift set. You can either purchase them separately or together. That's a cute gift. Next thing I got was actually a homemade cream. So this is in a Clinique packaging, but the girl that got it for me or made it for me actually told me, hey, I made you a cream, I just used the packaging. And she told me all the ingredients, it smells so good, all the ingredients that were in here, I don't mind. Some people are a little pickier or like skeptical about putting things. I don't care. I'm not like, oh my gosh, no, what if there's something in there? I just thought it was a super cute and thoughtful gift. The fact that someone actually homemade something for me was super cute and thoughtful, and I love that. So yes, that is pretty cute. So you can either buy someone a moisturizer or you can make one, and you know, it's the thought really counts. So I love that. I thought that was super cute, and I really did appreciate that. The next thing I got was this as a set, and I thought this was so cute. So I got this little book. It is called Influencer, Building Your Personal Brand in the Age of Social Media. So I thought that this was such a thoughtful gift because I am trying to grow my brand and my, you know, my name, I guess you can say, and the person that got me this knows that. So I thought that was super cool. So if you know someone that is, you know, in the process of trying to start something or enjoys a specific thing, I feel like a book about that topic is a pretty thoughtful idea. So yeah, love that. I feel like this is super cute. And then it actually came with a little bear. So this was a set, and I thought that was just super cute. This is actually for my dog, but I'm just keeping it because I just thought that was too cute. All these like dying to play with it. I'm like, no, he's my bear, not yours. Next thing I got was this little canvas, and I thought this was perfect for my room because my room is just so girly and stuff. So this says sunshine, blue skies, and waterproof mascara in like gold lettering, and then it has these little eyelashes, and it's just like this thick gold canvas. So yeah, this is such a cute gift. If you know someone's room and you know kind of like their theme or what they have going on, this is such a cute idea. So yeah, I love this. Next thing I got was a gift card to Marshall's, and I actually got 2 pairs of sandals with that gift card. So I feel like when I was younger, I didn't like getting gift cards because I thought like, how insensitive. Like, you don't know me that you got me a gift card. And now I'm like, heck yeah, get me a gift card. I buy whatever I want. So with a gift card to Marshall's, I actually got 2 pairs of sandals. So I got these that I thought were super cute. If you know, your girl size or your friend's size or your mom or anything, I love this style of sandal. I feel like it is so versatile. Every age can wear this type of sandal. and it is just so neutral, and I love it. I love it. This can go with so many different outfits. So this is the first pair of sandals that I got with that gift card. So you can either get a gift card or sandals. And the next one I got are these, and these are a little more like young, fun. I actually got these because I was going on a cruise and I just wanted some comfortable like slide-ins. I'm not like a slide fan, but I saw these and I was like, oh my god, what a perfect way to have slides without them being like ratchet like slides. So these are cute little slides. They have the espadrille, like kind of like corky bottom to it, and then it's like a little bow. I love this. I feel like they're so summer, so fun, so neutral, but I wouldn't recommend this style to everyone, but these I would. These, yeah. So yes, I got those two sandals with that gift card. Next thing I got were these gold hoops. I don't know where the packaging is. I lost it somewhere. But yes, so I got these little gold hoop earrings, and I love hoops. This is the perfect size because they're not too over the top. They're not too big. They're not too little. They're just like the perfect medium size hoops, and they're perfect. It has like the perfect little detail, and I just feel like that's a perfect gift. And another jewelry item I got was this Alex and Ani bracelet. I feel like you can never go wrong with Alex and Ani bracelets. This one is the Guardian Angel one. So yeah, this is super cute, and I feel like, yeah, like you can't go wrong with getting a lady an Alex and Ani bracelet, and they're not that expensive. So yeah, that's a cute idea. It was like this little set. You don't have to give someone everything, but you know, you can just pick one or two items, and I feel like that's more than enough. So the first thing is this Tree Hut Sugar Lips Sugar Scrub. I feel like sugar scrubs are better to get than lipstick, just because every girl enjoys and appreciates a lip scrub. Lipsticks, if you don't know her, it's a little bit harder because you don't know what color, what undertone, you know, all of that's a little bit harder to pick out for someone, but a lip scrub, I feel like it's perfect. So yes, I love that. Also a face mask. I feel like what lady doesn't like face masks? I feel like you can even get like a little face mask and just the lip scrub, and this is a cute little idea to give someone. And then this is a strobe lighting highlighter palette. You know, highlight is all the rave nowadays. So I feel like a good highlighting palette is something you can definitely do, and this is more of an inexpensive brand, so it's definitely affordable. You don't have to get scared or like feel like you need to go to a super expensive high-end brand. So yes, this is a 3-shade highlighting strobe palette, so this is cute. So this is another one, and I really like this palette because you get a variety of different shades and undertones. So you have like cool, neutral, warm, you got like some fun colors in there. So this is cool because it can kind of fit, any woman can like come up with different looks with these kind of palettes. Also, I wanted to mention the Jaclyn Hill palette. I actually got this for myself, but I felt like I wanted to mention it because it's so inexpensive. They sell it at Ulta. It was $15 and I had a 20% off coupon. So I only spent $12, and you know every girl will go crazy over a Jaclyn Hill palette. So these are the colors. These colors are a little more intimidating, but they do have more neutral or calmer shades, I guess you can say. But I just thought this was perfect for New Year's, the holidays. This is the time where all those crazy colors are in style. So I really wanted to mention that because I feel like every girl would appreciate, like, oh my god, I got a Jaclyn Hill palette, you know, expensive. Next thing I got was this little tube or thermal, and I thought this was so cute. So it has makeup brushes and it says blending is my cardio, and yeah, I thought that this was a really cute gift. So you can always give a lady one of these. I've actually gotten this as well in other birthdays. I've gotten the Swell bottles and things like that, and I can never have enough of those bottles. I love it. Next thing, I actually bought this for my giveaway, but I just still wanted to mention it because I just think it's such a cute gift idea. So it's this little pack of notebooks. This is from Kate Spade, but I actually got it at Marshall's for $5.99. It brings 2 little notebooks and then a little pack of pens. So I just think that this together is such a good gift, and you spend only less than 10 bucks, $9 for both of them, and it's just so cute and like perfect. I don't know, I love planners and journals and pens and things like that, so that's a perfect gift. Also, I got a Bible, and I love this. I really wanted this Bible, so I'm so happy I got it. It is the She Reads Truth Bible, so it has the case, and I love this Bible because it actually brings devotional books. It brings like reading plans, things like that, so you just can't go wrong with a Bible. Like, who doesn't want a Bible? And if you don't, you should want one. But yeah, I got this Bible and I love that, so I felt like that was like such a perfect gift as well. Bibles are a little more on the expensive side, so I really like that gift. And last I wanted to mention are these little Adidas shorts. I love these shorts because I feel like they're the perfect length. They're not too short, they're not like booty shorts, they're kind of like mid-rise, and then it has like the little Adidas stripes. And I actually got these on clearance at Marshall's for $12 when they originally retail for $25. So yeah, so these are a perfect gift too. You can give someone maybe a pack of socks with this and like a workout tank. If you know someone that enjoys working out or likes to just lounge around in shorts like I do, I feel like that's a perfect gift as well. So yeah, I just feel like the ideas and possibilities to gift a woman are endless. Like, you know, as long as they're appreciative, then you just like can't go wrong with anything. I feel like when I was younger, I was a lot more pickier as far as what I wanted for my birthday, and now I kind of like, I don't care. Like, I just love everything. Everything I got, I was just like overwhelmed with. Excuse me. There are a couple of other items that I did receive, as far as like I got bathing suits, clothing items, and things like that, but I didn't want to mention those because clothes are a little bit harder to buy someone, just because it's a little more personal, especially like bathing suits and things like that. I also wanted to mention gift cards again. Gift cards, like, you just can't go wrong. I feel like if you give someone a gift card, but like a sentimental card, you know, just like expressing your gratitude and appreciation towards that person, then they would be more than grateful for that gift. So yeah, and I just really wanted to share the things that I got, and also give you guys ideas on what to give ladies, because I know people kind of just blank out and they're like, I don't know what to get her. And these are just so many different ideas of gifts that you can give. If you guys enjoyed this videos, please let me know down below. I would love to do more videos, especially when the holidays are coming up. I can do maybe like a Christmas segment and do like gifts under $10, under $20, under $30, and just show you guys you don't have to go overboard as far as gifting someone. It doesn't have to be like over the top expensive for it to be a good gift. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know in the comments down below what you guys like to get on your birthday, and maybe give me some ideas for future videos. And yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.